Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your iPhone's Siri. So the process is very simple. As you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 16. That means this phone will have iOS 18 and Apple Intelligence and with Smart Siri. So how I can reset my Siri? So in the settings you will see Apple Intelligence and Siri option there. So here whenever you want to reset your Apple Intelligence and Siri option, you can just simply turn this option off, and let's jump to Siri, and it shows the option talk to Siri, right? So it have press side button for Siri, which is on, of course. So I will set it on off, and that's it. Now see your Siri is right now is will not work. Whenever you want to activate Siri, you will be able to press it, like press the side button, and this is the old previous Siri. That means your Siri is not trained now. If I say hey Siri, my iPhone is not going to listen to hey Siri command, right? So this has been reset. So you can wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and then you can start training your Siri again. So let's jump to settings again and hit Apple Intelligence and Siri, turn this option on, and here's the option talk and type to Siri. So make sure you choose on Siri or Hey Siri. So here you have to train your Siri. So whatever it will say, you have to say these commands, and your Siri will be trained by your voice, and your Siri will be activated when you say Hey Siri or Siri, right? So this is pretty simple. Hit on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Come on. There you go. So Siri, how's the weather? Shit. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So hit on done, and that's it. So guys, let me show you a simple and cool way to make the Siri always listen to my voice. Jump to settings, now find here accessibility. Here you can find here Siri all the way down at the bottom, Siri, and here you can see here you can even type to Siri, and just turn this option on, always listen for Siri. That means listen for Siri or Hey Siri when the iPhone is facing down or covered. How cool is it, right? So you can set your Siri even when your iPhone is locked or covered by anything else, or even it's facing down. So you can activate your Siri by just saying Hey Siri, and my iPhone will activate my Siri. That means this has been trained now. So this was the whole simple fix how you can reset your Siri and retrain it. So how's it? Do let in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much guys. Peace.